It's ISE 2023 in Barcelona, and we've been here touring the halls for the last couple of days, talking to lots of exhibitors about what's new and what they're offering here at the show. Now, we always like to do a quick kit review on how we make our videos, and we've been using our much trusted Panasonic HCX 2000 camcorder. We've got our AVX microphones from Sennheiser. We use either the handheld ones if we're doing an interview, or a tie mic like I'm wearing here. We tend to power everything with IDX batteries, and we're on the brand new Liebeck tripod as well, which has been great for supporting everything we've got. Now, the one bit of kit that I'm holding here in my hand, which I'd like to tell you about, which we haven't used before, is the Atomos Shogun Connect. Now, this is on a long HDMI cable. Normally we have it on a curly cable, but I wanted to have it in front of the screen to show you. Again, we're powered by an IDX battery, and these two aerials here are tethered to a mobile phone connected to 5G. Now, anyone that's been to a trade show like this will know that connectivity is always a bit unpredictable, but we've been getting a pretty solid 5G signal, albeit not massive speeds, which basically enables us to fulfill this camera to cloud phrase that we keep on hearing. How does it really work, camera to cloud? Is it a real thing? Can it be done? And that's basically what we set out to prove here at ISE. So we've got our Atomos account linked up to our Frame.io account, which allows us to share files. And I'm just going to hit record here now, and you'll see the traditional Atomos red border there saying that we are recording. I'm just going to stop it now, and as soon as I stop it, you'll see in the corner there it's got one file uploading. Now, it's only a short file, 7 meg, because it was only a few seconds I did the recording. We've been doing about 20 videos a day, and we normally find by the time the video's ended and we've hit stop, by the time we've left the booth, the video is actually uploaded and it's done. Now, you can see it's 0 files remaining, which means it's up in the cloud, it's on Frame.io. So if I check my Frame.io account and do a refresh in real time, you should hopefully see the next video that appears, hopefully, if the 5G is working, will be the one that we've just literally uploaded. So let's see if we can get that. Here we go. So that's the one that we've just literally uploaded a second ago, and we can play that through, and that's the video that we just uploaded. Now, the big benefit with that is that it means our editor, Beth, who's in the UK, she can be downloading that video from Frame.io as we speak, and she could be putting it onto Premiere Pro, editing it, uploading it to YouTube, sharing it on social media, and it means the news that we're recording from the exhibitors here at ISE gets shared within 30 minutes rather than 24 hours. That really makes the difference to those viewing figures and keeps everyone happy. So we've been really happy with the Atomos Shogun Connect. There is the Ninja version as well, the smaller version, so do check those out on atomos.com. For everything that we're doing here at ISE, you can check that out on KitPlus.com.